My name is Adeem Suhail, and I study the ways in which violence is used to maintain political order in different parts of the world. What I'm trying to look at is how things that appear as violent and disorderly are actually contributing to the maintenance of what we think is peaceful and normal. And I'm trying to uncover the relation between the two. People are working on such a diverse group of topics, and so what that forces us to do is to be masters at our own game, but also converse with each other on not just an intellectual level, but on a very human level. The PhD is not just a matter of interest. You sense something is not right in the world, and you see nobody else is questioning it. Why is it that nobody's asking this question that is constantly welling up inside you? If you have that, then I feel like it is your responsibility to scratch that itch, to go out there and figure this burning question out. Once I got accepted, there was no other choice.